Welcome to Mr. Woods' wonderful world of art, and I'm Mr. Woods, and we're going to create Picasso-esque self-portraits. So what do I mean? Well, we're going to learn a little bit about Pablo Picasso and imitate his style. But we're not going to create just one self-portrait. We are going to create two. The first one is going to be realistic, and you're going to draw yourself the best you can with pencil, then outline with Sharpie, going off your first self-portrait and trying to imitate Picasso's style. You're going to create a second self-portrait that's going to look very abstract and have this cubist kind of feel to it. So it's going to be flat, we're going to deal with shape, we're going to deal with color, and it's going to look awesome. So materials, you'll need a pencil with an eraser, fine tip Sharpie, and your favorite media to color with. So wrangle up those materials and let's begin. Pablo Picasso was a Spanish artist who was born in 1881 and passed away in 1973. He is known for co-founding the Cubist movement. He began his career painting very realistically. Picasso enjoyed experimenting and trying new things, and he's regarded as one of the leaders of modern art. His later works are abstract and contain a lot of symbolism. Symbolism is quite evident in Picasso's famous painting Guernica, which depicts the bombing of the town during the Spanish Civil War. Okay, I've got a picture of myself, so you can use a camera, take a picture, look on your phone, look on your computer, or if you have a printed picture, or even looking at yourself in a mirror. But anyway, you're going to draw on the left side. We want to keep it about the size of your fist, so don't go really large, but don't go small. You're going to have sort of an egg shape here. Remember, we're just sketching this out. Divide your head up in half, and from the top of your head to your chin, about halfway, it's going to be your eyes. And I do something a little bit different. I start with just kind of an eye right in the middle, and whatever the distance is between your eyes, that's going to be how wide your other two, your actual eyes, are going to be. So that just helps me with my proportion, gets them placed in the correct spot, the correct distance apart. Now I'm going to come down for our nose, and from that right in the center down to the chin halfway, just visualize halfway. There's my second guideline. I'm going to go straight down from the corner of the eyes for the nose. Let me finish off my eye, and I'll get more detailed here in just a little bit. I like to get everything laid out first. So there's my nose, the middle part, slight curve up, and then two curves down for the nostrils. Come out slightly. Those are going to come in. And then from the tip of my nose to my chin, about halfway for the mouth, I have a slight grin, so I'm going to put my eyes in, so they're going to be circles, and then a pupil on the inside of those. Straight down from the pupil, it's going to be the end of my mouth. That way it's not going to be super huge like a big clown mouth. Bring the chin down a little ways. Now the ears, they're going to start at the eye and end with the nose. And maybe you don't even see your ears. Maybe your hair covers up your ears, but in my case it doesn't. And my head needs to come slightly in here on both sides. Same thing over here. Do the same thing. The ear, nose. So go with the eye, down. Now I'm going to work on the hairline. So I don't have much of a hairline. Thank you, old age. And it comes up, slight curve at the top here. Now for the fun part. On the right side, you can just go totally abstract. I'm looking for, some awesome shapes, really flat, vibrant, bold colors. So you're going to use this drawing to create this kind of cubist, Picasso-esque self-portrait. So first off, I'm going to kind of shape the head out. And then I'm just going to really loosen up and start to divide things up. So I'm going to come down. Bring that a little bit further. And I'm really going to define my glasses, so put those in. I just really want to go angular on most of my stuff. Choose to do whatever you want. This is where it's going to get kind of fun. There's no right or wrong way of drawing yourself out. Now have fun coloring it in with bright, bold colors. I'm so pumped how this turned out. I have my realistic self-portrait on the left side. I used pencil outlined with ultra-fine Sharpie. And then on the right side, I have my just abstract, bright, bold color, Picasso-esque self-portrait. Now, you might choose to do some round shapes. You can use like warm colors or cool colors. Think about what kind of mood you were in when you took the picture, and that might even enhance the overall self portrait as well. But the main point is have fun. Hey, my friends, I hope you really enjoyed creating your Picasso esque self portrait. I can't wait to see your work. Make sure you take a picture of it and upload it onto my Facebook page. Think about how you can imitate other artists and use their styles in your work. And then start creating your own particular style. Because if anybody can do it, it's you.